Well, hello and welcome to Navig8 Biz. My name is Joanne Brooks. I am the founder and creator of the Her Transformation program, that is the signature program in Navig8 Biz. So why Navig8 Biz? Well, it came about as a culmination of over 20 odd years in business, having epic success and some pretty significant failures as well. You know, business is a rocky road. Business is a change is a constant in business. And what I've learned over the last 25 years, which enabled me to create the Her Transformation program and all the other offerings within the Navig8 Biz business, is that it's about elevating women and redefining their success. So what does that mean? What that means is I'm drawing on my experiences of over 20 years as an entrepreneur, 17 companies that I've launched, and one of them that I built to $30 million in a 24-month period. I did liquidate that business as a result of many moving parts and a perfect storm. What I'm drawing on is what I know as a woman in business. I've been a woman in business who's been on her own as a single mum. I've been newly married. I've had many challenges, both personally and business-wise. And I draw on those to share with women in business. And so what is my goal for women in business? I do not want them to get to the point where they're ready to sell, to merge, to list on the stock exchange, franchise, license it, whatever it is that they decide at that point, it's time for me to move on. That when they get there, they don't get the return they deserve. Not what just they need, but what they deserve. The many years of hard sweat and slog that it takes to build a business, I want you to have that return. And so what I work with women today is to reconnect themselves back to their business, is to inspire them and to give them a sense of the huge opportunity in business that's available to them, and take transformative action. So build a scalable business, because when you stay small, it's a huge risk to stay small. And everybody's version of scaling is different from one person to the next. It could be putting on staff members. It could be launching and opening a whole bunch of new stores. It could be listing on the stock exchange, and everything in between. I've done all those things. So I want to work with women, take them with me, have them follow me, lead them into that element of their business success, that they've defined it, they know what it is, and that they get the results, the return on investment that they deserve, not just what they need, as I said. It's about elevating women and redefining their success. So come on board and explore all that I've got to offer. So much, a myriad of things. And I'm here for you. I'm here for women in business to help them grow and scale and build a business that their family can be super proud of them about. You have an awesome day.